Welcome to Pistachio Everything, where we dive into the most exciting food trend of 2025. Pistachio is taking over the culinary world, and for good reason. Its unique flavor and vibrant color make it incredibly versatile. From creamy ice creams to savory dishes, pistachio is quickly becoming the flavor of 2025. It's time to get on board. Today, I'm showcasing 10 delicious and viral-worthy pistachio recipes that you simply must try. Let's start with the sweet side of pistachios, where they truly shine in desserts and treats. First up, a classic, pistachio ice cream. Its rich, nutty flavor and creamy texture make it an irresistible indulgence. Next, we have nutty pistachio spreads, perfect for toast, pastries, or even straight from the spoon. Beyond ice cream and spreads, pistachios elevate many other desserts, from delicate pastries to rich cakes. But pistachios aren't just for sweets. They add incredible depth and texture to savory dishes too. Imagine the rich, earthy notes of pistachio in your pasta. It's a game changer that will tantalize your taste buds. Savory pistachio rice is another must-try. It's fragrant, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying, perfect as a side or main. Pistachios can enhance salads, roasted vegetables, and even provide a surprising crunch to main courses. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of making these incredible dishes. I'll walk you through each recipe step by step. I'll provide full recipe demonstrations, ensuring you can recreate these viral dishes in your own kitchen with ease. Presentation matters. I'll also share plating tips for each dish, so your pistachio creations look as good as they taste. The moment of truth. Join me for a taste test of all 10 recipes, and I'll share my honest thoughts. Each dish is a unique pistachio experience, proving why this nut is set to dominate 2025. If you love pistachio, hit like, comment your favorite recipe, and subscribe for weekly food experiments. See you next time.